Hello, community farmers, gardeners, and horticultural aficionados. Today is the first episode of the Farming Community's YouTube channel. My name is Cam, and I'm the director of the Colorado branch of Farming Communities International. Today we're going to cover an important topic, perhaps the most important topic when it comes to maintaining plants, animals, and people: water. Management of water is critical to the success of a farm or a community. In a moment, we'll see the progress of one FarmCom member, Daniel from Kenya, as he and his community construct an irrigation trench and reservoir for the collection of rainwater. First, let me give you a brief primer on how to manage water. The first and most important principle is to know your region and its rainfall patterns. Is the region dry? Does it instead flood often? The second principle is soil quality. Soils like clay, rock, or silt are less likely to absorb water. On the other hand, sandy or loamy soils tend to absorb and hold more water and are less likely to flood. The third principle is to know what you need to grow. Some plants require much more water than others. Consider yield and nutrition as well. The fourth and final principle is to understand the role of elevation. In order for water to flow, it must move from an area of high ground to low ground, unless you use a pump. Now, let's see the update from Daniel in Kenya.
We are busy preparing a channel for the water passage. When it rains, it will be collecting water to the main dam, which is a main dam. And these channels collect a lot of water that can be preserved when it comes to irrigation. We are planning to start to make or construct a storage tank, which will be connected with the drip lines so that we can conserve water. A lot of water will not be wasted because of the method we are going to use to irrigate our plants. So near here we have the ground where farming will be done using the drip. That's why we can see those people cultivating using traditional method, using the oxen, pulling a djembe. Then on the other side, that is where another group will be farming. They are still cutting down the trees. Then we can also cultivate. So all this area is for collecting water. This one will be preserved even when it is dry. Farming can take place. So this is our project.
Thanks, Daniel. That's looking great so far. And thank you for watching our video today. Please feel free to check out our website listed in the description below. We also have our current GoFundMe that is open for donation now. 100% of the money donated goes directly to farmers in Africa. If you like this content and want to hear more from our community farmers around the world, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!